I'm Sandra, and I'm 69 years old, almost 69 this month. I've always tried really hard to take good care of my skin, and by maintaining it every day. And I looked for something that would make me look younger. But I was finding that I spent a lot more money on topical creams and lotions and things the people claimed on television that would, keep me young looking, keep the wrinkles, keep me from having wrinkles. And I just looked in the mirror one day and I said, oh my gosh, this is not working. I'm spending a lot of money. So why not look into having something done that is a permanent, a lasting effect to make me look a little bit younger. Some of my challenging areas were, under eyes. I had puffiness under my eyes. Of course, my neck. Necks are always a big challenge because that's the first sign, one of the first signs of aging. I reached out to Potomac Facial Surgery, plastic surgery, when I was, probably 2 years ago. I looked into the claims they made about, what they could do for me, and I was really looking for a procedure that didn't pull the wrinkles out, but it would make me look natural. And I had absolutely no idea there was really a technology that allowed that to be done. It's unbelievable that I can look in the mirror today and think, I don't feel like an old person, I feel like a young person, which allows me to exercise and feel successful with the exercise. It allows me to wear a lot of clothes that I couldn't wear before. I can wear, low neck things and not reveal my age based on the skin you see on my neck. A lot of times we do, we take care of the face, but we don't take care of the neck, and that's one of the most important and probably one of the first things to go. I had my neck lift, I had a jaw lift, and my eyes done, and then laser resurfacing. So, and then, and that erases the small wrinkles you have, and kind of takes that stuff away, so your skin looks smooth and youthful. I had no concerns about the procedures offered by Potomac Facial Plastic Surgery because I looked into it really well. I looked at all the examples of people that have had the procedures done. The recovery time was absolutely fabulous. I was completely ready to go out in public wearing makeup in 7 days. In 5, I looked great, but in 7, I was wonderful. And the downtime was, just a matter of staying in for my preference because I didn't want to go out. But I felt great the whole time. I didn't have to take painkillers. And they do not put you under general anesthesia. So, which was great, and it was virtually painless. I knew absolutely nothing that was going on. They were just really nice to me. They followed up with me after I had my procedures. They called me. Dr. DeHia personally called me. Dr. DeHia is amazing. He's very personable. He cares about his clients, and he'll talk to you. He doesn't refer you to someone else on his staff if you have questions or concerns. He's very personable. He sits with you as long as necessary to make sure that everything's okay. Do you have any more questions? Are you comfortable with what you're doing? My lifestyle has changed significantly. What I've done to my face has definitely motivated me in many ways to change my life. There are so many wonderful words to describe this practice. In one word, I would say magnificent, truly magnificent. I'm so devoted that I've moved away from the area. I've moved several states away, and I come back. So just to see Dr. DeHia, because he's absolutely marvelous, as well as his staff. In fact, I've had several friends that have had the procedure done and a lot more that want to. In fact, I even have a friend in California who wants to come all the way to Maryland to have procedures done. The cost was absolutely worth the end result. I know people that have had what we know is a facelift done, and it's much more expensive. On my budget, I never thought it was possible for me to do what I've achieved through Potomac Facial Plastic Surgery financially, and it's amazing. It's affordable for anybody. It just depends on what you have done, how much you have done, but everything is affordable, so it doesn't require a house mortgage. I was really concerned in the beginning that I might look like a doll when I had this done, and that was one of the reasons I looked so hard to find someone I thought could give me the look I was trying to achieve, which was the younger look, rather than, you know, just looking like I was 67 years old at the time. 67-year-old woman doesn't want to look like a 20-year-old girl. So I want to look mature, but I want to look fresh, and I don't want to look 70. So I really believe that, you know, it doesn't give me the surprised look. I don't have full lips. You know, I think everything looks, I'm really happy with the way I look. And I don't walk outside thinking, oh, everybody's going to say, she's had a facelift. So I feel very confident. I'm happy with with the choices I made with Potomac Facial Plastic Surgery.